Friends, today I will come here with a new video how to make custom thumbnail for our YouTube videos through PowerPoint. It's very easy and simple method. First, open PowerPoint in your computer. Then go to home, select a new slide, a blank slide. Then select any photos from your computer, paste here. I'm going to make a thumbnail for my honey lemon drink. Yes, same way I bring some more images here. One is this, another one is a lemon drink glass decorated with a mint. Another one is a lemon that's PNG already, non-background. And another one is a ginger. This also already background removed. But this image, I want to remove this background. Just double click. You can see a editing bar here. Go to this remove background option. Click here. This automatically selected some areas which we want to keep. This area we want to keep. Okay, I want to keep some more area. So that make areas to keep. Click here. This area also I want to keep. Okay, it's selected and keep changes. Now the glass is ready. Remove the background and copy it from here and bring this slide and place it here. Stretch this. Okay, place this here. Another one, lemon. Control C, paste here, place this here, looking good. Then ginger, this photo is looking good. Every ingredients which I am using in my lemon drink all are here. Honey, lemon, ginger, and all things are there. It's looking pretty good. Now we want to give a name on it. Title. Go to insert, select text box. Click here. Now write GA healthy honey lemon drink. Now select font and font size 48 I selected, and okay, now there is another option. Just double click on this format menu, click format menu. Here you get a text outline, text fill. Now I am going to take a text outline. Yellow color. So I want to put some more visible color background. So select this green thing. It's okay. Now time to save this file. Select, go to file, save as, select save as, and where you want this PC, desktop. Here whatever you want to give name, A B C D 1 2 3, whatever you want. Just select PNG portable network graphic format, then save. Yes, all slide. No, just one side. Now we will check our image. Our image is ready. Just copy this white side. Copy button. Okay. Then select save. saved. Now you can use this image for your, I'm using it for my video.
Friends, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe my channel and hit bell icon for my latest new innovative recipes.
Thank you for watching my video, and please subscribe my channel for future videos and press bell icon for future innovative recipes and something like these ideas. I hope this is helpful for you. Thank you.